Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Hello friends, you are most welcome to Micro Home, where we make videos and tutorials about geographic information system and remote sensing, and then Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, anything you need to know about modeling. If you are looking for anything about modeling, about Microsoft's skills, you are the right place. So today we are coming to make a video about how to import asset to Google Earth Engine. I have been receiving a lot of comments about how to upload your asset, your study area, to Google Earth Engine before you do any analysis. So first of all, we have to get our study area, and then I have a plain arc map where we are coming to extract our shapefile before we can import it to Google Earth Engine. So first of all, you have to go to your desktop where you have your shapefiles, and then you import the shapefiles to arc map. So for me, I have my shapefiles at target. So I will look for my shapefile. Okay, so I have, let's use this new district shapefile. So as you can see, we have Ghana shapefile. That's the region, the district shapefiles. So we have the district shapefiles here. So this one we are just choosing any district to incorporate in what we are doing. So you just have to right click, then you go to open attribute table. So open attribute table, you can see we have the names of the districts. So let's say we are looking for Chirpone district. So you just have to select Chirpone district. So after selecting, you can close this one, and then you right click on the layer, and then you go to data, and then you go to export data. So export data, you make sure you have selected, or it will automatically select this layer source data. So the output field, you have to choose your output field, how you want the data to be stored. So let's say we want to, okay, so let's just remain default. So you just have to select and change the name to the district. So we selected Chirpone, so I'll just change the name to Chirpone district. Okay, then you save it, then okay. So do you want to add the export data to the map as a layer? So this means that the layer that you have selected will be extracted from the main district. So if you click on yes, you can see the layer has been extracted from this. So when you want to check the whole district shapefile, you can get the one that you selected. But we are not focusing on this. We are focusing on what we saved, and then what we are going to export to Google Earth Engine. So for this, we have to go to our file explorer, and then I save it at what do you call it? I have it at target. Okay, so I have it at target West Africa. So when you come to West Africa, you can see we have the layer that I just saved. So we have the Chirpone district here. So you have to right click on the first layer, then you place on shifts, then you select all the layer that you saved as Chirpone district, then you copy it. After copying, you can just create any folder for it. So this one, I'll just create a folder on the desktop. So you go to new folder. So let's say Chiraponi. Then we have our Chiraponi here. So I'll just open it and paste what we just copied. So we have it here. Now, before you can export layer to Google Earth Engine, you can select it one by one, but the easiest way is you just have to compress your folder to zip file. So we will compress this folder to zip file. Okay, so we have zipped the file. Then we have to go to Google Earth Engine. So I will just search for here Google Earth Engine. Okay, so we have the Google Earth Engine here. Okay, so this is the interface for Google Earth Engine, but to find the code editor, you go to platform, then you select the code editor. That's where you can run your code. So since I have already logged in, you can see my profile here. So here's the assets I have. You can see I have already uploaded a lot of assets here. So if you want to upload a new asset, you just have to go to new, then you go to Shapefiles. You can see we have Shapefiles here. The first one is if you want to upload an image, that's the GeoTIFF. Then by this one we are dealing with Shapefile. So you just have to click on it. Then you have this interface, upload a new Shapefile assets. So we will type the name of the district here, and then you just have to click on the select to go and upload the folder that we just zip it. So we click on select, then you go to desktop, then we find our Chiraponi. Yes, so this is the Chiraponi folder. Then you just click open. Okay, so I think the problem is from the zip. I think we have to zip it again. I'm not sure the first one worked, so we have to zip it. Oh, okay. So sorry, we zip it and then we have the zip one here. So we have to go and then choose the zip one. I selected the one that is on zip. So the same process, you go to select, then you have to go back and then select the zip one. So we have the zip here. This is the first one we did, and then this is the second one we did. So we can choose any of them. So let's select the first one, that's the chip one. Then you click on open. So we can see the asset has been uploaded, and then you can see the name here. So if you want to change the name, you can change the name, or if you want to add any name to it, you can add it too. So now we have Chapon District here. Then you leave everything default, then you click on upload. So if you click on upload, then you can locate it at task. So you can see the it has started running. So just a few minutes or seconds, it will appear here. So let's just wait for a few minutes, it will appear here. And also, if you want to add the shapefile, you can add it as one by one, as how I showed you. That one too is the same process. You go to new, you go to shapefile, and then you click on select file. Then you go to the Chapone district, then you select it one by one. You select one first, then you select it one by. That is the long process, and then so you compress it to zip file and then upload it once. That's the best option you can use to save time. So now you can see we have the our shapefile has been already uploaded as an asset. So now we have, let's refresh the page. Now we have our Chapone asset in the Google Earth engine. Okay, so as you can see, we have our asset here, which has been labeled as Chapone district. Okay, so as we can see, we have our assets here. So anytime you are doing any coding and then you want to upload your assets, this is the simplest way you can use to upload your assets. And then you can also blend it with AI. AI can generate a code for you. Either you want to calculate for any land use changes or temperature change or any precipitation analysis. You just have to give the instruction to AI. AI will generate the code for you. Then you just have to fix your date, and then you upload your assets, and then you just run the code. So I will make another video on how to integrate AI with Google Earth Engine to get your code to upload any or calculate anything you want to do, either land use, land cover, temperature change, anything, evapotranspiration rates, everything. You can use AI with Google Earth Engine to get your code, and then you run it. Then I will also make another video on how to get your geotip image. Then you have to just upload it to maybe ArcMap or any software to get your already map, then you can do your analysis on it. So